Hello guys, and welcome to Make Easy, and this is a part 2 video in movie filter application in ES6. And in this video we're gonna see about front end, and here I'm using the theme called a boost fast theme, and you can also get it from over here. I'm going to mention the link in description. This is the theme, and I created two folders, JS, and JS is included app.js, and this is the file we've written all our JS code. And also we have a file called and the movies.json inside config folder. So here we are, from here we're gonna getting all some movie JSON. So I downloaded this JSON file from Kaggle. Even I'm posting in the description, and you can go through it and download the dataset. And is the dataset having more than 5000 records, but we don't need 5000. I copied only 100 records, around 120 only. So you can take 5000 or 100, whatever you wish. And also I'm importing app.js inside, so index.html file. And also I posting the GitHub link, also the source code of this application in the description, and you can also go through it. And the next video I'll show you how to fetch data from JSON. Thank you guys, and hope you like the video. Please subscribe to Make Easy.